Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and you've likely heard of a variety of different fidget toys out there, but this 24-piece set of fidget blocks is awesome for so many reasons. I absolutely love how it comes with nice, bright, vibrant colors, which are super inviting for my little guy. I like that these have a nice distinguishable pop to them, so if you listen closely, you can, depending on what you're pressing, you can have a nice pretty loud pop to them. I also like that you can flip them around and pop them from both sides, so you pop it back and forth too. One way we like to use these is for my little one who is starting to read, and we bought these at the suggestion of his teacher to help practice sound mapping. So it's perfect that he is able to pop each block to help him distinguish and separate different sounds and words, which I thought was super awesome, just an effective way to help teach him sound. So I appreciated that suggestion from her. The other way we like to use these is just for fun and creativity. So you can take them apart and make them into anything you want to. Each block individually has two sides that have two little protruding edges, and also two sides that have the indents. So you are able to mix and match them and create a variety of different fun little mini pop-it figurines. So if you're looking for a fun way to use fidget blocks, these ones have been awesome in our house, and that's our point of view.